We do think there's going to be some resurgence in reading. You've probably seen all the politics around the science of reading and debating what counts as research in reading. So we put together our best thinking. We use the Scarborough Reading Rope. So you'll find that inside the book. And we've added a few things since the 20 years plus since the Reading Rope was designed. We include all the foundational skills. So there are modules on phonemic awareness and phonics and alphabetic, all of those foundational skills, plus some newer thinking like theory of mind. We include morphology and vocabulary. This playbook is designed to take people through all the aspects of reading instruction that are necessary to create competent, confident readers. It is a pre-K to grade 6 book, so we don't go into middle school and high school. And the trainings we have designed are hundreds and hundreds of slides. We can do multiple days of getting people to understand how we teach reading. Again, this is a playbook. It's meant to be worked through. It's meant to be worked with. People are supposed to be reading and thinking and trying things on as they improve their practices of reading.